We will be writing a sentence together. I will say the sentence and then you'll repeat it after me. As you repeat it, draw a line for each word that you say. Did she bump her leg? I'm going to circle the lines that are your trick words. These words cannot be tapped out. Those are ones you just need to know. Go ahead and try to write it on your own. Pause the video and then turn it back on to check your work. Our first word is did. Id. She, that is a trick word, but I do hear a digraph at the beginning. Sh. E. The next word is bump. B. P. The next word is her, which is a trick word. And the last word is leg. Egg. I'm going to make sure I have my punctuation at the end. I know this is a question, so I will end it with a question mark. I'm going to check to be sure I have a capital at the beginning and that I have spaces between each of my words.